know why you bother at this point. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is T. Welcome. I hope you guys are doing so well. In today's video, I will show you how I do my favorite go-to protective style for curly hair. My curly hair. One of my friends actually asked me to show you how I do my braids. I will link a braid tutorial down below, but this is how I do it. This is how we get down over here. How I lock in my moisture for when I don't want to do my hair. My hair needs some TLC. I'm not in the mood, which, you know, yeah, it happens, but you still want to, you know, take care of your hair a little bit. So I may not be in the best mood, but at least I know for a few days my hair will be okay, and it's not gonna go, you know, down the drain. So if you're interested to see how I accomplish my favorite protective style, keep watching. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and let's just get right into it. So I am freshly washed, conditioned, all that good stuff. If you haven't seen my curly hair video, go watch that. Same steps, same thing, same situation, ain't nothing changed. I have this towel on because I don't want my hair to be like soaked when I'm doing this. You know, we're not here for definition. We just here for a good time. This is my hair freshly washed. Wow, it's so soft right now. I like wish you guys could feel the softness right here. And this little hairstyle, I'm only going to be using 2 products. Normally, I just grab whatever products are running out in my little hair stash because I don't need that much anyway, but we get a little fancy smancy over here today, okay? So I'm going to be using the Miel Pomegranate and Honey line, the Curl Smoothie, and the Coil Sculpting Custard. Let me show you. As well as my little hair oil situation that I actually did a video on about. So if you haven't seen that, check it out. I'll link it up here and down below for you. So this is literally all I'm going to use. And we're not going to use too much. You know what I mean? Like, keep it simple. Simple is, you know, the less, the more, whatever the saying is. Wow, my brain is done. Notice I'm not really going to use a spray bottle this time. My hair is still pretty damp. I just don't want it dripping. It's cold. You know, I don't need that right now. So what we're going to do is... what am I feeling today? Middle or side? I'm kind of feeling the side part today. You know, with the short hair, I just love the side part situation. So when I do this, it's never perfect. Never. Like, this is not something I do to like be the cutest in the bunch. No, this is something I do because I'm just protective styling. That's all it is. So yeah, I did a side part and then like took it back through the middle. We're gonna just put one side away. The sun is, I'm just so sorry for this lighting right now. Just bear with me. But I picked up this curl smoothie on accident. I was very upset about it because I did not want it. But I figured this could be really good for a protective style like this. And we're not gonna let no products go to waste, especially a product over $10. No, thank you. I'm taking quite a lot. And we're just gonna start working it in. You can do this on really damp hair. Like, you can do the spray bottle. Like, if you watch my videos, you know I love my spray bottle and damping my hair. I just want my hair to dry at this point. I go ahead and take my wide tooth comb, get it all in there, rake it all in. I already detangled my hair in the shower, so it's very easy to get through right now. We're just gonna add a little bit more for the back. Before I go with the custard thingy majiggy, I'm gonna take my oil and just focus. I lost the top already. And focus this on my scalp and my ends. So I'm kind of doing a lock method, I guess. Am I? Yeah, I guess. Yeah. Whatever you want to call it. Sometimes I hate these curly method terms. And I'm literally just focusing this on the scalp. Because my hair is super dry. It's winter. And especially my edges. All up in there. Don't be afraid. I'm going to take a little and put it on my ends. Now we're going to take just a little bit of this custard. And by a little, I mean like, oh, did I drop it? Oh no, I didn't. It landed on my pants. You know, a decent amount. Just so like, you know, we get a little bit of definition. Just a little bit, because this is crazy. I I will say, if you are going to use these same products that I'm using, you can literally use one, both, either or. It really doesn't matter. I will personally say, like, I could do without the curl smoothie. I just feel like the custard is a bit more moisturizing for my hair. Totally up to you though. You can totally add a gel on top of this. I would just make sure it's a hydrating gel, like nothing that's going to dry your hair out. Like Gorilla Glue. Woo! I need to stop. Gorilla Snot is a little bit drying on my hair, so like I wouldn't use that. Eco is pretty good, but I don't really care right now. It's not perfect. I never do this for perfection unless like I'm in the mood to. So the custard is good enough for me. So I'm going to take a brush and kind of just smooth this down before I braid. And if you want to do baby hairs, obviously take them out before you braid. Makes your life so much easier. Now when I do this, I tend to braid along my hairline. Like I like to keep it close to my edges. You can do it straight back. I personally just have always done it on my edges. So I'm going to start at the top. Create a quick section. Mind you, I am doing this without a mirror, so this doesn't come out perfect. Do not blame me. We gonna start braiding. The easiest way I can explain this is like doing a flat twist, but with 3 strands. Flat twist is the easiest way to learn how to braid, in my opinion. And then you just keep on adding hair under your hands. Like you pick up hair as you go along. I taught myself how to braid. It just magically clicked for me one day. After always doing like twists and stuff, it just clicked. I never grew up with like my mom learning how to braid or anything like that. Like I literally just had to teach myself. That was before like YouTube tutorials was a thing. And I just bring it all the way around. But mind you, I keep it really close to my hairline. And once I get all the way to the back, I try to make it as tight as possible. It's a lot trickier now that my hair is shorter, to make it as tight as I want. But it's okay. Once it gets down here, I kind of just recomb this out. And smooth it down. My ends are a little dry, actually a lot dry. So I'm going to take a little bit of that custard and kind of work that back in. And I cut my nails so I'm able to go all the way to the bottom. Usually if my nails are super long, I can't do that. Once I get to the bottom, I just twirl it away. Bam! I really don't know how this braid looks, so let me go check it out and see if I just like played myself. I mean, for someone with no mirror right now, this is a bomb braid. This is great. I do find that when my hair is shorter, like when I first went natural, I used to always braid in side parts. I don't know why. It was just much easier to do that than doing a middle part. I don't know the science behind it, but in my head, this always works. If you can't get your middle part and perfect those braids, try a side one. Can we just get into this? This is super, super moisturizing. Oh, I love it. I love it. So obviously we know that oil does not moisturize your hair per se. Like I've read all the articles on it, all the hair gurus coming out the woodworks like stop trying to moisturize your hair with oil, but it does lock in moisture. So this is really why I use it. And of course this is like my hair growth concoction. Not like I'm trying to grow my hair out, but I just love it. I love it. So we're gonna go ahead and do the other side. Hopefully my camera picked up on what I put down because this braid is pretty fire. Pretty fire. In case it didn't make sense, we're gonna go with the curl smoothie, oil our scalp and our edges, and then go in with some custard, smooth that thing down, and just braid away. And the second braid is done. I'm saying, like, I don't even have a mirror right now. Like, I don't even know why you bother at this point. Like, okay, let's reel it in. Oh, this is it. Like, this is literally it. Now, back in the day, I used to do this thing, right? I used to take the oil, take just a little bit, just a little bit, y'all. And I would rub it right between my fingers and take the ends and like just oil my ends down. Because your ends touch your shirt, your jacket, like they're on everything. You have to keep them moisturized. You have to keep them sealed, okay? Of course, you can make it cuter. You can do your edges. You can add some jewels in. Do whatever you want. You can add like cute like bows, whatever. Whatever you want to do. Your protective style don't have to be bland. Don't have to be ugly. Don't have to be anything. This ain't ugly though. Okay? Period. But I am home. It's cold. I'm not going anywhere. So this is literally it. I'm not adding anything. I'm not going to do my edges. I'm not going to do anything like that. I just want moisturized, juicy, protected hair. And this is my favorite style. I either do my middle part or my side part. Whatever I'm feeling. Today I was feeling the cute side part. And I actually really love it. Like, she's pretty cute. You know? She got her graphic tee. She's at home. She's in her comfort clothes. You feel me? But yeah, this is it. This is the style you've seen me rock a few times when my hair was longer, when it was short, like all the time. Like I do this at least for a whole week, once a month. Some days I'll go ahead and refresh the braids, just spray a little bit of water, add a little bit more product or a little bit more oil, and just braid it. Like, it's so simple. It's so simple, so effective. This is also the style that I'm pretty sure I wore so much that it just helped my hair keep growing and growing and growing because it was always in this style. And when my hair is short like this, sometimes I like to pin it up and bobby pin it to protect the ends even more. So that's something else you can do as well. Let me know if you rock this style a lot too. Let me know if this helped you. Like I said, I will link a braid tutorial down below and the video on my hair growth oil down below as well. But yeah, she's cute. She's moisturized. She's put together. Okay? You think my life is together. You know, I hope you guys are looking good, feeling good, and being good. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Connect with me on Instagram. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!